See that spam? Egg, and show you everything. So I want to come back to show you guys that. Back to my cooking channel. Today for breakfast when I'm cooking for my breakfast, I chopped up this is spine, and what I did, I kind of chopped this up like that, and used an egg. This is the type of cheese I'm using, and this is something I have never tried this, but this neck is a 0 fat neck, 0 carb, and it's called the SUNDRIED tomato basil. Okay, that's what it's called. And I'm gonna show you how it look in the pan. It's because I'm just gonna, warm and heat it up, but that's how it look. Also, you guys, I'm doing me some potato. I think it's ready. Yeah, this is ready. This right here is diced potato. You could buy this frozen. Show you which one that I use to get. Yep. It's in my air fryer. This is the one I always like to get. Okay. Come down to heat. So you guys pretty much what I'm making. Okay. See you guys. The other day when I made my smothered burritos, these are the containers I like to keep. So I'm gonna put my in this container. Yes. Okay. So that way that you guys say, oh, she got it in this one. And it really don't take too long. What I'm doing, I'm just heating it up. It's the best way to do this. Yeah, this is something new that I picked up. See, guys, you don't really have to put no oil. All you're doing is just heating it up. And I'm gonna spray my pan to saute my what I'm using. Okay. It don't really take that long. As long as you just kind of heat it through. Get a little light brown. Okay. So now I'm going to put my egg. Because mine real small container ain't that big. Okay, y'all. Only thing I'm using is butter powder, onion powder, that's black pepper. Only reason I'm not using salt because that spam is kind of a little salty. Yeah. Okay, you guys, So I got my hash browns. So this are the 3 ingredients. Four ingredients: the spam, diced potato, egg, and cheese. This is my breakfast. This is my breakfast meal, okay? Okay, you guys, I got my tortilla, my corn tortilla in my bowl. Now I'm going to start assembling with the mixture. Okay, I put my cheese. Put my spam. Okay, now I got my potato. Last thing I'm putting is my egg. Boy, this is a good breakfast, I guarantee. Yes. Yep. Okay, you guys, you know what? You guys need to subscribe to my cooking channel because I come up with good protein breakfast, you know. So yes, please subscribe if you don't mind. You know, you will never regret it, I guarantee. Yes. Something quick and easy for breakfast. Then last thing I'm going to put is my cheese, and then I'm gonna put it in the microwave. But anyway, I'm gonna, okay, let me put my cheese first. Okay. Okay, guys, so that's the finished product. Put my cheese, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave just to melt the cheese. But like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up. Subscribe again. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Alrighty. Yes, please subscribe if you don't mind. I have to get our breakfast ideas on my cooking channel. Yes, I do. Okay, you guys, so I just made some of my cheese. That's how it look. This is my breakfast. Again, hope you guys make this. It's very easy. And you can use any kind of sauce that you desire, but I'm using my green chili, you know, to pour over my taco. Yes. So what I do is, let me show you guys. You guys probably know how to do that. If you guys ever, you know, went to a restaurant where they serve tacos. So what they do, they just get a spoon with a spoonful, and they just kind of drizzle it like this. See? Yep, that's how they do it. Alrighty, so I'm out of here, you guys. And I'm going to dig in because I am hungry. Oh, yes indeed. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. You will love my cooking channel, I guarantee.